So start with photos, because then it's not, you're not really being intimate. You're not, putting your face out there and having to put your VSCO filter on and all those other things. Then I tell people, when you're scared to talk, do some video where you're talking, but the video is of something else, right? So video the kitchen and be like, oh my God, you guys, isn't this a beautiful kitchen? Then it's just your voice. These are called baby steps, and this is what I had to do, okay? Then my next advice is get on the camera with someone else if you're uncomfortable. So my agents, a lot of times, if you watch their stories, they'll get on the camera with me. And they'll be like sitting here with my broker doing our coaching, and I'm there, hey guys, and then they're with somebody, right? So you've got that comfort of friends. And then I guarantee you, if you do that for 30 days and get your stamina up, right? It's like running a marathon, I don't know what the hell I'm talking about running a marathon, goodness further run marathons. But anyways, if you were training for one, I can imagine that's what it's like. Then you're gonna get to the point where you're comfortable picking up your phone and talking to it, believe it or not. And then if you put the right words on the screen and you say the right things and you have some fun with it, people are going to respond in ways that you never would imagine.